Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're at the Huck's World, and today we're going to Mom's house. We're going to get us some banana pudding. We're going to hang out with her, get spoiled, get some love, and then we're going to come on back home. But listen, people, we got a heck of a topic to be talking about, and I've really been enjoying the interacting that we've been doing on the channel. There's a lot of you all that responded to the Galaxy Watch videos, and also the Galaxy Note 9. Now, more so, the Galaxy Watch has gotten a lot of responses. There's 99% of the people that hit me on my channel that said that they're not getting the Galaxy Watch. It doesn't make sense to get the Galaxy Watch. Samsung didn't put enough features in the Galaxy Watch. Stay with your Gear 3, your Gear 3 Frontier, or your Gear Sport. Now, for me, I'm getting the watch, just so you all know. We'll talk about that later. Now, let's talk about the topic at hand that's on the table right now today, and that is the Galaxy Note 9 really worth the price tag, right? Now, be open-minded to this as we chit-chat, because I want your response to this at the end of the video in the comment section down below. I'd like to know your thoughts on this one. Now, last year for the Galaxy Note 8, we paid $949. Now, this year we're paying $1,000. That's only a $50 difference. It's not like we paid $800 last year and then now we're going to be paying $1,000. That's not the case. One thing we're missing is that we got to consider that the cost of living goes up every year, sometimes even before the year is up. Let's say you buy a gallon of milk today, maybe 6 months later, the price goes up. So you got to think about the overhead that Samsung is probably paying out, and also it's all about finance, it's all about revenue, and it makes sense at the end of the day. Kind of like, you know, your everyday average person going to work. We want to raise every year, if not twice a year, right? Depending on what we're working at. And we don't want to stay at the same pay year after year. So $50 is not bad for what they're charging for this smartphone to be $1,000, right? Now look at it. On the Galaxy Note 8 and the phones prior to that, we got spoiled. Samsung used to dump everything but the kitchen sink inside of their smartphones. They slowed down as of a couple of years ago, maybe 2-3 years ago, and they spoiled us, and we're not getting all the features that we used to get. Now we look for those, right? Now this year mainly, and I do understand what the people are talking about. I understand your side too as well, because we're not getting features and functions that are usable for the consumer. The average user is not going to use DeX. DeX is more so geared toward the business person, the person that's going to school, that's going to be able to use this S Pen that has Bluetooth connectivity for slideshows. I'm not going to use it for a slideshow, so I do understand, right? Nor am I going to use it to swipe through my pictures, because as soon as I pull out my phone, I got my finger. I'm going to swipe. So I do understand that some of these features that we've gotten on the Galaxy Note 9 is not really usable, and that we should have gotten some features that were usable to the average consumer, and we didn't get it this year. One thing we did get was the battery. Now the battery is beefed up to 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and yes, I do understand before you say anything, we should have gotten that years ago, and you're right, we should have. But let's consider what we do have dumped into the smartphones we have today. First thing, let's talk about Samsung Pay. I use Samsung Pay. Now with Samsung Pay, listen, we got the magnetic strip technology that nobody else has. That means that I could go to pretty much any store and use this feature. Now, I can go to Walmart, I can go to Target, I can go to Kohl's, I can go to the gas station. Inside the gas station, that is, right? Not at the pump. But the fact is that I can use this pretty much anywhere I go. Now, with that being said, we got what? The always on display, which we can customize. You can also write on top of it. We got split screen. We got a device manager that processes our battery to a place where we can have longevity. I love it. I love it. I mean, we got tons of features. Now, we didn't get what we were looking for, fine. But for $50 more, I don't think it's a bad deal. I don't think it's a bad deal. But I would like to know your thoughts on this, right? So hit me at the bottom in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know why you think that the Galaxy Note 9 isn't worth $1,000. Tell me why. And then for those of you all who do believe it's worth $1,000, then let me know. What do you think? Why? Why is it worth $1,000? To me, it's worth it because we got tons of features. We got a great looking smartphone. I like the edge-to-edge display in spite of the fact that we did get extra bezels put back on the phone, but the phone definitely offers a lot. We got an awesome camera with portrait mode, wide angle mode. The quality of the display, the photos that we take, the videos that we take are crisp, they're on point. So we have a great smartphone. So again, 50 bucks for me, it's a drop in the bucket. Not that I'm rich or anything like that, but I understand that the cost of living, things go up. It's just a part of life, a part of reality. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. I would love to know what you think. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I got to go home. I got to get ready, hit the road, go see mom, hang out. But listen, you all have a great weekend. Enjoy family and friends. Eat well. But most of all, please, whatever you do, be safe. And I will see you all at the next video. Take care.